This is the Canon EOS R100. It's great for newcomers getting into photography, but there's plenty for seasoned photographers to enjoy too. It has a 21.4 megapixel sensor and 4K shooting, which means your photos and your videos are going to be super detailed. It also helps you to get the best results with handy features to assist you, like the dual pixel CMOS autofocus. The camera also comes with two lenses. You've got your 18-45 wide lens, which is great for your everyday photos, and then you've got your 55-210 telephoto lens, which is perfect if you want to take photos of wildlife. Another thing that I really like about this though is how lightweight and compact it is. Having a design like this means it's always at the ready. You can just grab and go, pop it in your bag and take it anywhere. It also comes with a handy strap, which means it can stay nice and safe around your neck. Not only is this camera a great starting point, but it has loads to offer once you build up some experience too.